The first thing is chronic inflammation or oxidative stress can impair apoptosis and keep it from doing its job. But there are certain natural compounds that are found in plants and herbs that may help to support the body's ability to maintain healthy cell turnover. So I'm talking about what apoptosis is and how you can learn to support it naturally, and what the role of flavonoid-rich foods and some other lesser known herbs, how they can be helpful to you based on traditional use in medicine and emerging science. So we can think of apoptosis as the body's internal housekeeping system. It's going to help remove all of the damaged cells that are no longer useful for the body or that may be damaged before they can even cause any problems or issues. Apoptosis is going to be helpful and essential for helping to develop healthy tissues, which is going to help prevent mutations. It's going to help support immune system regulation. Without apoptosis, our bodies is going to just accumulate all of the junk. The cells are going to be unhealthy, and that's going to lead to inflammation, stress, and it's going to throw off the body system and cause an imbalance over time. I'm going to briefly cover flavonoids and why it's important to learn how to increase the production of flavonoids in your system, and why it deserves more attention because it is not as talked about as it should be. Flavonoids are plant-based compounds that are found in fruits, vegetables, teas, herbs. They are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and those properties combined are going to be helpful at helping to protect the cells from damage. So in lab and animal studies, flavonoids have been shown to help to influence apoptosis, and that's going to help the body to regulate the way it naturally cleans up our system and create healthier cells. So again, these are not cures, these are tools that help to support overall wellness. And when they're used with a healthier lifestyle, it's just going to make it even more better. But there's something most people don't think about or talk about a lot, because we know that a lot of berries and teas have been getting all the attention in the past years, but there are some lesser known herbs that are used in medicine as well that also show promise in helping to increase apoptosis. Free comprehensive lists that have been already scientifically proven to promote healthy apoptosis. Get it now because it won't be available forever. Number one is Scutellaria. I might be saying it wrong, but it's also known as Chinese skull cap. Sounds weird, I know, but this powerful root has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for many, many years. It has been studied for its antioxidants and cell protective effects. So there's also been some lab research that has shown that it helps to regulate abnormal cell activity in apoptosis as well. Another herb is bitter melon. This is popular in the Asian and Caribbean cuisines. So bitter melon contains unique compounds as well. Those compounds have also been studied in medicine for its potential support for blood sugar and cellular health as well. It also has several compounds that have been shown to help increase apoptosis within the body. Number three is astragalus root. This is often used for immune support, and it contains saponins, which are also antioxidants, which helps to reduce oxidative stress as well. So oxidative stress is one of the triggers that can actually interfere with normal cell death. The antioxidants may not directly induce or bring on apoptosis, but it will help to support the environment for healthy cell behavior. Number four is going to be gynostemma, which is also known as herb of immortality in Chinese medicine. Gynostemma is also rich in ginsenosides. Okay, that's a tongue twister. This has been shown to help support the metabolic balance and to help stress adaptation. It has also been looked at in some research in apoptosis as well. Number five is going to be moringa. I talked about moringa in one of my previous videos, and I'll mention again in this video. So moringa oleifera is known as the miracle tree. It is also loaded with many polyphenols, not only polyphenols, but flavonoids and vitamins and which all helps to combat inflammation as well. Some of the less known compounds such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid helps with detoxification and cellular repair. But here's the thing to remember: these herbs are not going to work overnight, and it's not a miracle cure for anything, okay? You have to be consistent when using herbs. It's not something that you can take for 1 or 2 weeks and expect to see dramatic results. You're going to have to be slow and steady with your usage before you begin to see results. It's going to be important for you to always remember to talk to a healthcare provider like your doctor or pharmacist or whoever you trust before adding any type of herbal remedies into your wellness plan. That's my only number one advice for you, okay, is to do that for yourself. Let's talk about flavonoid rich foods. Foods that's going to help increase your amount of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. These are all going to help to speed up and clean out the damage of the cells. One important thing to remember is let's bring it back to the plate, okay? Let's bring it back to what we're putting in our bodies when we feed it. Some simple options you can make in your diet: start incorporating berries, which are going to be rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, green tea full of catechins. Citrus fruits is going to be loaded with aspartame. And a tip is for you, when you eat, the more colorful the variety of your food that you include in your meals, the more phytochemicals you're going to get, and that's going to be more help for the cells to do the work. And last but not least, don't forget that you have to make some changes in our daily habits. That's going to help too, like staying hydrated, making sure that you move your body on a regular basis so that you can get rid of some of the toxins, making sure that you get plenty of deep sleep on a regular basis, reducing your exposure to toxins, okay? And also finding ways to manage stress, whether that's working out, reading a book, doing any type of activity that's going to release some of that buildup. These also help to reduce the burden on the body over time. And what that's going to do is going to allow the cells in your body to focus on doing their job the right way, okay? And it's going to help to clear out the cells that have done their time. So to wrap this up, apoptosis is just a smart self-healing process for the body. The main goal is not to control it, but to support it in a natural, healthy ways through our nutrition, our diet, herbal supplements, getting the body moving through exercise, and getting plenty of rest. So if this video has given you any insights on how the body actually works, then give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you choose to do that. And share it with anyone who may find it helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video.